Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up because both help my channel a lot. And I thank you in advance for that. So today's quick and easy day. Because I had a sneak peek kind of yesterday with my card on some of the new products, because we're going to be using some of the new products here in the next few days, because January 4th goes live our new mini catalog along with Celebration, which Celebration, for those who don't know, is for every $50 you spend, you can choose something out of the Celebration brochure for free. So it's really a fun time of year. We are doing it twice a year. Now, it started last year when we started doing it twice a year, and I'm super excited for it because it's such a fun time. Everybody loves free stuff, right? But anyway, this is our Ladybug, and I showed her, it's called Hello Ladybug. This is the stamp set I'm using for this, and it's so dang cute, and it comes with a punch. And the punch is the Ladybug Builder Punch. So this is a bundle. If you want to get the bundle, you save 10% by getting the bundle. And we are using the Sentiment Everything from that today, except for the Designer Series paper. It's also a new one coming. And the name of it is Sweet Talk. And this is our Valentine paper. You don't even have to use this for Valentine's. I just picked this because I like the colors, and I love red. It's one of my favorite colors. And I thought it went really cute with the ladybug, so I am using this. But you can use this for Valentine's Day. I know it's early to be making Valentine's things. We're not even through with Christmas. And January is coming up, and we have a lot of birthdays in January, so I'll be doing some birthday things too. Yeah, it would be really cute for just a quick and easy hello gift. I just used the hello off of this. I thought it was super cute, so I just used the hello off of the Hello Ladybug stamp set, and I just stamped the ladybug and made her, and then I just created this cute little quick and easy treat holder. You can fit M&Ms in here, Skittles. Here I put 2 little Hershey miniature bars, any kind of miniature candy. Even I think a regular Hershey's bar would probably fit in here. It's wide enough because they're pretty flat. Even the ones with the almonds are pretty flat. I think you could put in here. But I know if you're giving to kids, I always leave out the candy that has nuts, because especially like school, kids cannot have nuts in the schools. All right, so let's get started because it's really easy. And by the way, Friday is Christmas Eve, Saturday is Christmas, so there will not be a video on Sunday like I normally do because I am spending that time with my family. I hope you all have a great Christmas with your family and friends. So what you're going to need for this is a piece of 8.5 by 5.5, and of course I'm using real red because I picked the Designer Series paper. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of Designer Series paper to mat it, and it's 2.5 by 5.5, which you'll be able to use the other ones. If you're making any more, you can use the opposite side for another treat holder, but I'll show you that when I'm talking about when I get to this part. All right, and then you'll need a piece of scrap real red to punch out our heart. And this is also a new ribbon, this real red ribbon, and I think it's linen ribbon. Yeah, it's faux ribbon, linen ribbon. And this ties so nice. Right now my hands are like icebergs because it's so cold here in the morning. It's like 30, it was like 33, so it's cold for us in Texas. All right, so let's go ahead and get started scoring this. And it's very simple. You are going to just score it at 2.5. And then flip it around and do it at 2.5 again. Or it's 2.5 and 6. So that's it. Now I do have to bring the trimmer up here because we are going to trim this. So you are going to trim this, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a pencil and I'm going to draw it for you. So you are going to cut this, and I didn't cut it, I didn't mark it when I cut it last time, but we're going to go from this corner to the outer corner here. So you're just going to trim it there, and if you want to mark it, it might be a little bit easier for you to mark it because you won't see it. It's going to fold over and then to that corner. So that's what it's going to look like. So that's where we're trimming, but I usually just line it up on my trimmer here, and I will cut it down like that. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. Just line it up and then cut it. And that's all that you're going to do with that. All right, so I'm going to grab my bone folder, and this is how our treat holder goes together. Really, really simple. First, we're going to mat, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with these pieces here. So we are going to also cut these two pieces. These are for our matting. Now when you cut these, remember which way you're going, because if you have a pattern that's got direction, you need to be careful how you're cutting. So we're going from one point to on a diagonal. So we're going that way. So this one will be this one, and you can't use this side because they'd be upside down. And then on this one, we're going this way, diagonal to, from this corner to that, diagonally. And then this one will be on this side. So watch your patterns when you're cutting those. All right, so we are going to put our matting pieces on here. I love this other side too of this paper. So we're going to mat this. And I like to trim the top off because I like it to be straight there, to line up straight, because there's a little point at the top there. It just makes it look neater. All right, now we're going to close this up. So I'm using Terran tape because you don't want to use a wide tape because you want it to be able to hold, you know, a larger like candy bar or something. And you want to keep this tape pretty close to the bottom. You can use wet glue too and just keep your glue to the bottom of it. All right, now we're going to take our backings off here and put this together. All right, so we are going to fold this, and you're going to fold that over, and that is our basic treat holder right there. I'm going to use my ribbon here, and I'm just going to tie a bow at the side. This ribbon is so nice. I like it better than the other one that we have. And we are tying our little bow here. And then we're going to stamp. And I am going to stamp using my mat here because this is a big area that this little ladybug is. It's a big solid area. So I want to make sure I get a solid stamp. And if I don't, I'm going to be using my Stampin' Blend because I noticed last time one of it didn't stamp all the way really good. I probably need to condition it because these are new. All right, so we are going to stamp this, and I'm stamping it upside down because that is how the punch is going. And I got a real good solid one there, but if you don't, you can use your Stampin' Blend and then like just blend it in like that. But on this one, I didn't need to do it. All right, and then I am going to go ahead and punch him out. or not him, it's a her because it's a ladybug. And I can use this and just stamp on that, but I think I'm just going to, let me see if I can do it. I can do it. We're going to do it in real red. And I have my Stampin' Blend here for a reason, because we're going to fill in, see if I can do this good. Yeah, I didn't stamp it hard enough, but it's all right. It's going to work. It's not dark enough. I didn't get enough ink on it. Or should I redo that? Because I'm going to probably use these. Let me redo it. I'm not going to be happy unless I do. You know how picky I can be sometimes. My ink pad, this ink pad, really, I re-inked it not that long ago. So let's see if I can get a better. I think I need to re-ink it again. That didn't turn out much better. I'm going to grab my Real Red Stampin' Blend. Yes, my blend, and I'm going to fill that in because I want it solid. I don't have time to re-ink that right now, so I'm just going to fill it in a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to use my black Stampin' Right marker, and we are going to color these black. I didn't even look in the stamp set to see if there is the dots. There are, because look at here, look at the dots right here. I could have just used my stamp pad and did it instead of coloring in, but that was easy. So now we're going to punch those. But I like the wings dark red, so you can also use this as a matrix and stamp in it, but I don't ever have that great luck doing that, so I rather just do it this way. All right, this time I'm going to pop up her little wings. I'm just going to use a couple little dimensionals, mini. I didn't pop them up last time. I had that as an afterthought, so we're going to see what it looks like with them popped up. Like I said, my hands are like icebergs right now. Seems like I can barely. That looks cute. All right, now I'm going to use my scalloped heart punch, and I'm going to just punch a heart here out of Real Red. And then we're going to do our sentiment, which I'm going to just use this. The sentiment is actually 1/2 by 3 1/4, but I'm going to use the Hello and then I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to cut it pretty long because I'm going to need to cut it shorter. It's 3 1/4 what I used on it before. So look at that. I cut it exactly 3 1/4, and I'm just going to slant this end here. We are going to put this on the heart, just across like that. And then we're popping him up. Here, I'm going to make it go that way. And then this one, I'm also putting dimensionals on the back. And put one here and one here. And then we'll put it on our treat holder here. Just like that. And I did bring some M&Ms up here, and we are going to put those in there. But you can use anything. Like I said, I put 2 Hershey's in that one, but aren't they cute? And it's so quick and easy. But I really wanted to share the Hello LadyBug stamp set with you. So if you like this, put it on your wish list, because January 4th is you are going to be able to get them. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.